Each year we engage in what I refer to as gourd architecture, where we take pumpkins in their great diversity and use them to build what we call the pumpkin house. So why don't we take a little closer look at this year's version. This year I decided to accent the architecture with green vines. In the past we've used dried vines, but here we planted some gourds. You see, gourds are one of the oldest cultivated plants man has been associated with. A long time ago they were very useful for vessels for cooking or storage and vessels for holding water. We like to use gourds in creative ways here at the farm. Under our hoops in the vegetable garden, we always plant them. They're just fun. Gourds grow very rapidly, but if you want them to produce a fruit, if you will, depending on the gourd, it takes about 120 to 180 days for them to mature. Well, that's plenty of sunshine. They like it hot, okay? So this is a dipper gourd. It's growing up. It grows about 1.5 feet a day, sometimes probably even longer. And I just planted the seed in a big container here, and they're growing on each corner of the pumpkin house. The idea is to let them grow up and cover the entire roof, and I hope that happens before Halloween. Wouldn't that be magical? Of course, when the pumpkins are ripe, it's a little late to be thinking about planting gourds. So next spring, put them on your list. You can cover a trellis, let them grow on a fence. Just get them up and let them grow, and they will grow with great enthusiasm.